absolutely good gloss and shine. We have taken care of the tires too. Okay.
Good morning and namaste.
Good morning and namaste. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are back with a new video. There has been lot of suggestions for a car detail session with a new product. So we are back with a new type of product which I will demonstrate today. And I always prefer products that are easy to use and it can be done by yourself at home. This is Meguiar's ceramic hybrid wax. This is also a easy on and easy off type of product. Only difference is this can be applied on metal surface only. You cannot, this is not an all-in-one product that you can apply on glass, rubber, anywhere. So make sure you remember that. And it says it's a very long lasting product and it's very easy to use. So before that we'll wash the entire car. And I haven't cleaned the car for the last 2 months. First, dust off all the loose dust with the help of a good quality duster, and then apply water. If you have a foam wash, it is best to clean this particular way. Otherwise, you can use your garden hose or a bucket method, which I have shown in my earlier videos. So we'll first loosen all the dust with the help of pressurized water, then we'll apply foam, and finally we'll use this product. What happens if you use a pressure washer, your job gets minimized and you can clean the car much effectively. Especially the wheel wells and all the tire areas where most of the dirt gets accumulated. तो पूरा कार को आप प्रेशर वॉशर से क्लीन कर ले. Lower floorboard areas where most of the dust gets accumulated, and as you can see, for this job we have brought different microfiber cloths, a wash meat. So I will give all the links in the description box so that you can use them effectively if required. So the initial cleaning part is over. Now we will apply the foam so that all the traces of dirt is washed away. Now you see the entire car is washed with water, and as you can see, there is no traces of any dust over here, which is very important, because if you apply foam or anything, any soap over dust, it will lead to soil marks and scratches. So absolutely a clean surface is necessary.
हम लोग यूज किया है कार फोम.
So this is the particular shampoo I am using, Auto Spa Specialty Foam Shampoo. You can use other brands also.
लिया है इतना तक.
हाँ. So it will be between 1:10 ratio. Now let me fill it up with water first.
शेक कर लिया. शेक
अच्छा से शेक कर लो. I wanted to make it little bit thicker so that it works well with dirt, and this is sufficient for a car of this size.
दोगे हम इधर साफू कर लेगा, लेकिन तुम तो एक किस में होता है, इसमें नहीं है, इसमें क्या
उसमें हो रहा है अभी।
हाँ, पीछे अभी ब्रश से हम साफ कर लेता है। ये सब प्रिपरेशन करते करते ही धूप आ जाता है।
हाँ, धूप में नहीं करना
इधर
चाहिए
ना, तो
सब में दे दिया मैंने।
जल्दी करने दो।
So first, let us clean all the wheel arches.
ये क्या, ये कैसे सब
वो
करना?
कपड़ा से, बिना कपड़ा से नहीं होगा। उसका अलग ब्रश था, वो कहाँ है पता नहीं।
कौन ब्रश है?
और एक छोटा वाला ब्रश था ना उसके साथ, ये वाला। These are the different type of tire brushes that we normally use during cleaning of alloy wheels. Even it helps a lot to clean your steel wheels too. And these brushes are quite gentle but tough on dirt.
जल्दी करना होगा, धूप आ गया।
Remember, always you need to do this job in shade. Already the sun is going to rise और body में ज़्यादा heat हो जाएगा, तब ये काम करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाए। Because you need to do it while your car body is cool. Otherwise there will be soap stains on your car body and it will be very difficult for you to remove.
इसलिए शेड जैसा है ना,
और सुबह करना चाहिए था।
हम लोगों का इधर तो शेड नहीं है। चलो
चलो चलो चलो झटपट। So our tire cleaning job and wheel arches cleaning job is over. Now we'll wash the entire car. After that we'll apply some shampoo. So finally the cleaning part is over, and I won't recommend to do this every now and then, once in 3 months or once in a month, depending upon how much dirt you accumulate. Based on that you should do that. So what we will do now, I will apply again a shampoo so that it's absolutely clean and free from all contaminants. There are also other decontaminant products. If you want to use them, you can apply that. Now we'll prepare a lather on a bucket and apply the shampoo with the help of bucket.
इसमें क्या होगा?
So the lather is ready. Now let me show you how you should apply. पहले रूफ टॉप को कर लो।
हम इतना लंबा नहीं है।
अरे अच्छा ठीक है।
हम इतना लंबा नहीं है, हम नाटा है, इसलिए हम ऊपर नहीं उठ सकते। देखो साबुन काम हो गया, तुम तो बोलते हो। देखो देखो
क्या
फोम होगा तो क्या होगा, इतना सारा फोम होगा तब तुम देखो।
So like this, with gentle strokes we'll apply this shampoo to the entire car body.
इधर ले आना होगा, इधर एक एक साइड करके आता है।
हाँ,
और नीचे तो नहीं देगा,
नीचे नहीं लगाना है। Remember, never apply this particular wash mitt to the lower part of the car body because there may be contaminants, dirt or sand particles which will affect your.
सर नहीं क्यों नहीं करता? सर का स्पॉन्डिलाइटिस है, नीचे नहीं हो सकता।
I can't bend down na, that is only a big problem for me. We'll do a detailed session once we go to Koraput, where our other car is staying there. So once we go to Koraput next month, we'll give a detailed session for the Honda City also, because that car has not been detailed for a long time.
वो तो उधर वॉश कर देता है ना,
हाँ।
लेकिन सिर्फ हम लोग पॉलिश कर
हाँ, पॉलिश करेंगे। वॉशिंग तो उधर बाहर करना है, क्योंकि
इतना
उधर
रेड सॉइल है उधर।
हाँ, रेट। दूसरा बात है, उधर पानी भी मिलना मुश्किल
वो
है
जो
ना।
ओनर है पानी नहीं देंगे, रेंट वाला रूम है।
Now let me apply to the rooftop.
बस हो गया, कंप्लीट।
Now the lower areas.
नहीं
होएगा
अभी वॉश कर दो।
Now the first step will be to remove all soap traces from your car before applying this particular polish.
हमको दे दो, हम जल्दी कर देते हैं। पानी खत्म हो गया।
Now our washing part is over. Now we'll make the car dry and prepare it for applying this particular coating. So let's first dry it up. Now the job will be to dry this car as fast as possible. We are using thick quality microfiber cloths so that we can absorb the water fast. All links will be in the description box. This is actually Shinex Pro specialty microfiber towel, specially prepared for this type of purposes. Now we come to the main part of the video. Now we will apply this specialty protective coating. Now let me tell you one thing. This particular product that I will be using is basically a paint protectant. It's not a polish, remember that. So this thing is very important. Polish is for bringing up the glaze from a dull paint or if your paint has got some imperfection, you need to polish it. Otherwise polishing is not required and not recommended. So यही है डिफरेंस बिटवीन पॉलिश और प्रोटेक्टिव कोटिंग का। पॉलिश देके आपको डाल पेंट को ग्लेस को वापस लाना है और पेंट प्रोटेक्टेंट देके पेंट को आप सील कर रहा है, पेंट को प्रोटेक्शन दे रहा है। सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ पेंट प्रोटेक्टेंट। नाउ आई विल अप्लाई दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट। शेक वेल बिफोर यूज, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. It is recommended you apply this particular product while your surface is cool enough. Otherwise it may be, since this is a wax type of product, let me check. I think there is a seal inside. Yes. Always do one panel at a time. In overlapping motions.
ज़्यादा लगता है ना, थोड़ा सा।
बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं ज़रूरत होता है, क्योंकि बफिंग करने के लिए आपको जान चली जाएगी. It will be very difficult for you to buff, so apply as little as possible.
इसके बाद पॉलिश होगा ना?
हाँ, इसके बाद it is recommended to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Depending upon the weather.
तो इधर कर दो, हम इधर कर देता है, फिर उसके बाद उधर देना.
हाँ.
एक साथ नहीं हो,
इतना
जल्दी नहीं होगा.
एक एक करके करना होगा. One panel at a time. So I have applied to this entire panel. Now I will apply for 2 minutes before buffing it off. So buffing के लिए जो cloth है,
ये पॉलिश वाला जो
हाँ,
cloth
पॉलिश वाला लाइट बफिंग क्लॉथ्स.
2 मिनट हो गया.
नहीं नहीं 2 मिनट नहीं हुआ, थोड़ा वेट कर ले रहा है. बिफोर अप्लाइंग दिस प्रोडक्ट यू शुड वेट फॉर 2 to 3 minutes. नाउ अनलाइक दोज पॉलिशेस, लोकल पॉलिशेस which turns into a haze, this polish doesn't turn into a haze. So remember the time is more important rather than the look.
हम कर रहे हैं, नहीं तुम ही करो.
You apply the other areas, okay? Keep 2 polishing cloths handy. It says it will give a very good gloss and slickness. Let's see.
चमकता है.
चमकता है.
हाँ एकदम. ये एक बार गिर जाने से वो नहीं.
हाँ एक बार गिर जाने तो यूज़ नहीं होगा. So I have complete.
4 साल हो गया है कार.
हाँ कार 4 साल हो गया अभी. So I have applied the particular ceramic wax. After that I have buffed it with this particular cloth, and finally with another cloth I have given the final buff. Under the sun it's difficult to notice about the gloss, so I will take it to the shade after I complete it. Now next panel.
तुम यूज करो, कितना लगेगा हमको तो पता नहीं ना. ज़्यादा दे देगा तो अच्छा नहीं होगा.
ज़्यादा देने बुराई क्या है, वो तो बाफ करने के लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा ना.
इधर एक पैनल को कर दो.
हाँ 2 पैनल एक साथ कर देते हैं, नहीं तो what will happen, the sun rays will affect the application. Remember, don't apply this particular polish to glass, because since it is wax based, it will create stains.
लेकिन ये ब्लैक पोर्शन में देना होगा
ना. ब्लैक पोर्शन के लिए अलग सा पॉलिश है ना हम लोगों के पास.
तो तुम तो दे दिया इधर.
वो ठीक है, वो ब्लैक में ठीक है, रबर में नहीं.
रबर ब्लैक में नहीं. भाई भूख लग गया.
चलो ये दोनों करके फिर चाय पी के आता है. लेट्स हैव सम टी ब्रेक आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस टू दिस पर्टिकुलर एरियाज. लेट्स वेट फॉर सम टाइम.
ये अच्छा है ना टार्टल वॉक्स.
I won't tell you just now because it's too early to say, but yes, those type of sprays are easy to apply rather than this, because these are wax based. So that is also another reason why I don't like paste type of products. Application is quite difficult.
लेकिन ये तो चमकता है.
हाँ वो तो चमकेगा ही. This is also a very good product.
देखो बहुत ग्लास.
This is also a very good product and comes from a world renowned company, Meguiar's.
और टार्टल वॉक्स का प्राइस ज़्यादा है ना, इसमें प्राइस.
टार्टल वॉक्स थोड़ा ज़्यादा है इससे. ना this is a different type of product. This is not a ceramic coating. This is a wax based with ceramic. So application procedure will be different.
अच्छा डिटेलिंग करते करते तो हम सीनियर सिटीजन हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा.
हाँ और सीनियर सिटीजन होने में और 2 साल बाकी है.
तो तब भी करेगा.
हाँ तब जितना दिन तक दम रहेगा ना. चलो ये इतना तक हो गया, चलो चाय पी के आते हैं. सो लेट्स गो फॉर अ टी ब्रेक.
अभी टी ब्रेक है.
आवर टी ब्रेक के बाद वी विल बी बैक अगेन. नाउ विल गो टू द रूफ, क्योंकि काफ़ी धूप भी आ रहा है. So before sun comes up in the horizon, let me complete the roof area. It will be in the overlapping motion so that no area is left out.
तो तुमको कपड़ा देना होगा ना.
हाँ
हम देते हैं. इधर स्पॉट है. किसका स्पॉट देखो. हाँ. इधर स्पॉट. नहीं इधर 2 3 4 स्पॉट है.
Now this side.
उधर पॉलिश हो गया.
उस साइड में हो गया.
हड्डी गुड्डी टूट जाएगा, बस हो जाएगा, खेल खत्म.
So the roof area we have applied to the entire roof because it is best to apply from top to bottom. अभी we'll buff it off.
ओहो buff it off. इधर ना धप्पा के लिए कुछ नहीं है
ना.
यही प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक है दीदी बोल रहे एगलो छेलेदेर काज ए काम लड़का के लिए.
Remember all these videos, I haven't applied any layer or any LUTs so that it gives an artificial look. What you get is a totally unedited video. Only I have edited the unwanted parts. So what you get is the actual gloss that you see in the car.
बस हो गया.
हाँ, रूफ वाला हो गया. नीचे आ जाओ, नीचे लगा.
दोनों साइड बाकी है.
हाँ, दोनों साइड बाकी है. Don't apply too much, remember that, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to buff. Better to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. But I am giving lesser time क्योंकि the ambient temperature is quite warm. So if it gets stick to the body, it will be difficult for you to buff. So remember that the time is not fixed, depending upon the weather conditions, you have to do it. So like this we'll do to the entire car. We'll show you after our job is finished. So,
इधर भी दे दिया था.
हाँ. Remember, I am not applying to any glass areas, because this particular polish is not recommended to be applied on glass. So that care should be taken while you are applying this particular product. For the black areas, we'll apply.
ना ये बाकी है, एक साथ करते हैं.
For the black areas, we'll apply a different product. Only problem with this product is that it doesn't haze. So it's difficult to ascertain whether the polish is ready to buff or not.
ना हमको करना है.
हाँ, चलो. Buff it off. Okay. So let's apply to the entire car. Then I will show you what is the result. So allowing the internal metal surface with this particular applicator pad, since it is soaked with this particular wax. Now after that we'll apply some tire polish and plastic trim polishes, so that to give the car a better look and also protect those plastic parts against fading. So let's finish the entire body polishing job. पहले body polish job को पूरा complete कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद we'll come to that particular. Now we'll apply this product to the plastic areas. I have always told you what is the advantage of this product. This doesn't keep any oily residue. That is the main USP of this product, which is unwanted. So each and entire area has been looked into, क्योंकि कहीं जगह में हम नहीं छोड़ रहे, क्योंकि प्लास्टिक एरियाज, फिर आपका जो मेटल एरियाज, all the places I have taken care of and applied what is required. For plastics I have used plastic detailer. For the metal polish I have used that particular ceramic wax. हाँ, प्लास्टिक सभी में लगा दिया, इसमें भी लगा दिया. वो एंटीना में लगा सकते हो तुम. हाँ, वो एंटीना में लगा दो. Now we'll apply tire polish. That is the final dressing. Just the same, when we put on a good dress, it complements with a good set of shoes. Similarly, we'll do the same for our car. So we'll apply tire polish to our rims and wheels. Now the final part, applying tire polish. We have cleaned the tire before doing the car wash. Now with the help of a dry cloth, we are removing if any stresses of water is there or not. And after that we'll apply this particular tire polish. This is one of my favorite products, you know that. And advantage of applying tire polish is it will prevent the tire from cracking and fading, especially the side walls. Also it gives a fresh look. There is a very good smell this product which is very pleasant.
पहले पोंछ लेंगे, फिर जो पानी नहीं रहेगा।
Okay, so we have applied to all the 4 tires. Now I'll show you how the car look. So the entire job is finished, and now I will show you how the car looks after we have applied this particular product. Let me show you one by one.
अभी तो 9 बज गया।
हाँ, अभी 9 बज गया। We started from around 6:30 ना
6:30 से
शुरू किया था। Around 2.5 hours of hard work. The entire car has been cleaned. You can see you get a very good gloss and slippery effect. It says it's quite hydrophobic. I feel
टार्टल वॉक्स से ये क्या डिफरेंट है?
ये वॉक्स बेस्ड है, वो पॉलीमर बेस्ड कोटिंग टाइप है। एप्लीकेशन इज टार्टल वॉक्स स्प्रे कोटिंग इज इजी, but one advantage of these products, it doesn't lead to streaks. But I can't tell you about the durability at this moment. It says it's quite durable. That we'll gradually see once we use this product.
कितने दिन तक रहता है ये पॉलिश?
They claim at least 2 to 3 months of protection. It's cheaper also. So applying this product is very easy because it doesn't lead to streaks formation that you get in Turtle Wax product, but that is more durable in my opinion. It may be, and it gives a commendable gloss. You see, I haven't given any paint correction process, but still you get a good gloss with this particular product. So I am letting you to judge whether you should buy this product or you should not buy this product. आपको ये प्रोडक्ट का परफॉर्मेंस कैसा लगा वो आप खुद देख के बताइए, और आपका कोई क्वेश्चंस रहे, इफ़ यू आर हैविंग एनी क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट, you are free to comment in the comment section below. So in this way you can easily clean and detail your car, and in this detail we have used.
My dear viewers, तुम लोग सब्सक्राइब करो और लाइक करो। तुम लोग लाइक करोगे, सब्सक्राइब करोगे तो हम लोगों का इंटरेस्ट ज़्यादा होगा। माय डियर व्यूअर्स, तुम लोग सब्सक्राइब करो और लाइक करो, नहीं तो तुम लोग नहीं सब्सक्राइब नहीं करने से हम लोग का इंटरेस्ट कैसा होगा?
So it is your like and subscription that gives us encouragement to make more videos for you. And in this particular video, we have used this particular product, so I am letting you to judge about this performance of this product. And application is very easy, any layman can do it. Only you need a clean surface to apply this. So if you have liked this video, please
कोई वॉश करके, कोई वॉश जो होता है जिधर उधर वॉश करके फिर आप लोग पॉलिश करते हैं ना, हो
yes
जाएगा।
One thing I like to tell you, if your society or if your housing cooperative doesn't allow you to wash your car, my suggestion is you do the wash from any external car washing company or any external car wash shops, and then bring it back to your home and do this particular application. It's very easy as I have shown you. So please do subscribe, and if you like our video, please do comment, subscribe, and do like our video. Thank you very much, and goodbye and namaste.